Sometimes I get to feeling I was back in the old days, long ago. When we were kids, when we were young, things seemed so perfect, you know. The days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. The sun was all shining, we just slipped the fun. Sometimes it seems like lately, I just don't know. The rest of my life's been just a show. Those were the days of our lives. The bad things in life were so few. Those days are all gone now, but one thing is true: when I look, hi there pluckers, I was all things again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you, another Queen song. These are the days of our lives. Okay, this is my Campfire version, simplified version, no lead solos or anything. It's just a sing-along number, okay, with your friends around the campfire or whatever, a barbecue. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original Queen recording. Okay, so it starts off with a C chord. Obviously on the main proper record starts off with a sort of bongos type of thing, you know, and then it just goes straight in. So I've just done a little intro just on the chord sequence. Okay, so C, and that's basically C to C suspended 4 by adding your pinky to the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the D string, okay, and then on and off sort of thing. C, suspended, off, and then to an F chord. However you wish to play it, bar chord's fine, simple F's fine. I'm playing a 4-fingered F, okay, so it's a basic F chord with the 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and pinky taking over on the 3rd fret on the 4th string there, the D string, okay. So it's up to you, however you wish to play your F, okay, so suspended, back to C, F, then there's a very quick B flat back to F, okay, and all I do is I do that. I use this 3rd finger and just bar the 3rd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Just hit those 3 strings, 4, 3 and 2, and then back to the F again. So it's okay, so it's just a quick single stab on the B flat. You can play a B flat bar chord if you want, or a simple B flat, whichever B flat you feel more comfortable with, but that's all I'm doing is just barring the 4th string on the 3rd fret and same on the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Just playing that bar, 4, 3 and 2. Okay, back to the F. So you play that sequence twice for the intro, and then it's the same chord sequence for the first 2 lines of the verse. Okay, so here we go, slowly. Repeat. Right, repeat now, but with the verse. Sometimes I get to feeling I was back in the old days, long ago. When we were kids, when we were young, things seemed so perfect, you know. Okay, then we go back to the C. And we just played the C this time. The days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. Then to the G. The sun was all shining, we just lived for the fun. So just C to G there, okay? So coming out of the 2nd line of the verse. When we were kids, when we were young, things seemed so perfect, you know. C, the days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. G. The sun was all shining, we just lived for fun. Then we go to D minor. straightforward D minor chord, yeah. Sometimes it seems like lately I just don't know. A minor. The rest of my life spin, stay there. Just show is G. Show. So it's D minor to A minor to G. Okay. So C. The days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. To G. The sun was shining, we just lived for fun. D minor. Sometimes it seems like lately I just don't know. A minor. The rest of my life's been just a G. Show. Then there's a bit of a lead up to the actual chorus. Okay, so show, and then we do two little stabs on the G, two downstrokes on the G chord, individual sort of downstrokes, and then we play like an A minor shape, but A minor seventh. So A minor with the third finger off, open third string. Okay, so it's, and what I'm doing there is I'm trying to hit the fifth string down to the second string. So it's just a single stroke on that, and then final bit of the lead up is that shape. It's like an A7 shape, but up one fret. Third fret of the fourth string and the second string. Open fifth string, open third string, 5 down to 2 again. Okay, so you've got G, 2 stabs, quick A minor 7th stab, and then the stab on this B flat sort of shape. Okay, B flat with it, well, it's I'm not quite sure what you call that. Anyway, that's the shape. It's like a partial G7th chord with a ninth in it. But, you know, it seems to sound right. Okay. So let's do it from the beginning up to that point, and then we'll go into the chorus. Okay. So from the beginning, 2 lots of intro, and then the verse slowly. Okay. Sometimes I get to feeling I was back in the old days long ago, when we were kids, when we were young. Things seemed so perfect, you know. Days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. The sun was always shining, we just lived for fun. Sometimes it seems like lately I just don't know. The rest of my life's been just a show. Okay, and the chorus. Right, the chorus is basically C to suspended again, like we did on the intro. Pinky going to that 3rd fret on the 4th string there, and then off. It's like on each, like a chord for each word. It's like those were the. Got that? So C, those, suspended, were, back to C, the. G, days of Then we play this chord live. It's an F chord going to an F sus2, and all you do is you take off this 2nd finger, open up the 3rd string. So it's, and you do that twice. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so it's those were the days of So you do that twice, okay? So, those were the days of our life. Repeat the whole thing. The bad things in life were so few. Now this time we do the same again. Those days are all G gone, but this time that's where it changes, okay? So that's the same as the first part of the chorus. So from the beginning of the chorus, let's get back to that. Those were the days of our lives. The bad things in changes. We play this chord. Right, that chord is a B flat sus2. Okay. Right, so you can either play it just 4 down to 1, or if you can do the bar, it's better because you play all the strings. Okay, so what I'm doing is barring all the 6 strings, first fret, first finger, and then I'm using my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string and my pinky on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. Okay, it should sound like that. So B flat sus2. And then we go to an F chord, bar chords or simple F, whichever you want, to an F. Okay, so it's the line that goes those days are all gone now. Now B flat sus2, but one thing is F true. When I see, look, G, find. Then this F sus2 again, the F chord with the open 3rd string, the G string open, love you. And then into it, if you want to, and then you go into the same again, all over again with the 2nd verse and the chorus again, exactly the same chords, different words. It's like that. So you just can't turn the back. You get the idea, don't you? You just go into another verse with different words, okay? So let's do the chorus again. So it's those were the days of my life. There were bad things in life, there's so few. Those days are all gone now. B flat sus2. But one F is true. C, I look, G, find F sus2 for you. You can't turn back the clock, you can't turn back the time, in the shame, and so on. You get the idea, don't you? Okay. Sorry about the singing, it's just for reference, okay? It's not a cover version. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Basically, just repeat everything again with different words and maybe another chorus. Or you can do 2 lots of choruses if you like to make the song a bit longer, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. Just a very simple, basic breakdown, Campfire version of that song. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.